Do you think I can save this interior? My client just purchased this Ford F-150 with over 200,000 miles. A lot of the fabric and upholstery is looking pretty dirty. The carpets have some staining too. Dirt back here on the seats. I don't know what that is, but you need to get it off this upholstery. Same thing goes back here. Right now I'm gonna blow out the interior and give it a thorough vacuuming first. So I use compressed air to blow out underneath the seats, and look at all this debris in the carpets now. Grass and dirt. All this built up gunk and dirt. Same thing on the control stalk. That just came off the turn signal control stalk. Pretty nasty. Now let's get the gunk off the steering wheel. All of that just melts right off. Wow, check that out. Look how dirty the seatbelt is. A lot better and all clean. Finished off with this Ford F-150. Let's check it out. Right away you can tell massive transformation. This interior looks so good. Had all sorts of dirt and dust, debris. There was so much built up gunk on the steering wheel, but now you can see it's so much cleaner. It was sticky and all nasty, and these carpets really improved. Same thing goes for these cloth seats. They were so dirty. Big transformation back here as well. Down here looked like it had never been cleaned. Now I saved this interior and brought it back to life. Message me if your car needs a deep cleaning next.